Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a budget smartwatch from Noise, and it's the Noise ColorFit NAV. And the best part about this smartwatch that it comes with the built-in GPS. So let's show you the quick unboxing first. So in the front of the box we have the ColorFit NAV branding, and here is a picture of the watch in the middle. And it's a GPS smartwatch. At the back we have some key features. So the main thing that it has the built-in GPS, 6-axis accelerometer, cloud-based watch faces, 4 days battery life, 1.4-inch color touchscreen, IP68 waterproof, Bluetooth 4.2, and it supports both Android and iOS. The MRP on the box is ₹5,999. However, it's available for ₹3,999 during the sale on Amazon and Noise website. So let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the watch module and the straps of the smartwatch. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user guide, which has a detailed info about the functions of this smartwatch. Then we have the charging cable, and it's a magnetic cable which connects at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise ColorFit NAV is a budget smartwatch that comes with the built-in GPS. So here we have the watch module and this strap. So as you can see, the straps are removable and you can easily replace this strap. In terms of the design and build quality, I find the build quality of both the watch and the straps pretty good. The smartwatch also feels lightweight and the straps are really comfortable. In terms of the display, we have a 1.4-inch color LCD display with the high resolution of 320 by 320 pixels. You get the curved display which gives this watch a nice look and feel, something very similar to the Apple Watch. At the back of the smartwatch we have the heart rate sensor and the charging pins. On the side we have 2 buttons to operate the watch. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, I find this smartwatch pretty good. And also, this smartwatch comes with the IP68 rating, which makes it sweat and rain proof, and you can use it while working out. Now let's turn on the watch for the first time. So it's on, and here it is showing us the QR code to download the app. The app name is NoiseFit X and it's available on Play Store. So we have logged in the app and ready to pair. So for pairing, we will go to the Add Device section and choose the ColorFit NAV. Initially it will take few minutes after pairing, and you will also receive a firmware update. So the watch is ready to use. Now let's look at the watch features. So here it is showing us the gestures which are supported on this watch. Now first thing I must say that the touch response is really good. So in order to operate, you can use gestures or the buttons on the side. So here is the watch face, and you press and hold here, you can change between different watch faces. You can also add more watch faces through the app, which I will show you in a moment. Now in terms of the watch options, so when you swipe up from the bottom, you will have the quick settings. And here you have the settings, battery, brightness, airplane mode, find phone, and the D&D option. To go back, you can press the bottom button or swipe right from the left side. Swiping down from the top will show you the notifications you have received on the smartwatch. Now in order to access the main menu, you can swipe left or right in the middle. The menu is divided into 3 pages. So first we have the activity option, and here you can see your current day's fitness data. And then we have the alarm, breathe option, which will help you to calm and relax yourself with some breathing exercise. After that we have the heart rate. And by the way, this watch supports continuous heart rate monitoring. On the next page we have the music control, and in this you can change tracks as well as change volumes using the watch itself. After that we have the reminders which you can add from the app. And then we have the watch settings, and in this settings you have the accessibility option which lets you increase or decrease the size of the font. And you also have the option to enable the GPS tracking. Then we have the brightness, and you have total 3 brightness level. After that we have the device info, orientation, which lets you change the orientation of the watch. And then we have the vibration settings which let you choose the vibration strength. And guys, I must tell you that usually these options are missing on a smartwatch in this price range. I'm really happy to see the fonts and the vibration option here in the settings. Apart from that, you also get the wake settings which let you choose raise to wake feature, which by the way works really good. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the sleep option, and here you can see your sleep data of the current week. On the third page of the menu, we have the stopwatch, timer, weather, and finally the workout option. In this smartwatch, you have 10 workout modes which includes walking, running, outdoor cycling, indoor walking, indoor running, yoga, and strength training. And when you start an activity, you will see the GPS signal strength on the top. And here you can also set your goals such as duration, steps, and distance. So that's all we have in the watch menu. Now let's look at the app. The app NoiseFit X is really simple to use. And here we have the home page. So you get the clean and a neat design here, where you have the ring style design on the top, which shows you your current fitness activities. And then we have the details below, such as step count, active time, distance, calories burned, and then we have the sleep and the heart rate data. You can also tap on any of them to see your daily, weekly, and monthly progress. On the next page you have the leaderboard, where you can see your ranking in terms of fitness activities among other Noise users. After that we have the watch face menu, and from here you can apply different watch faces on the smartwatch. Some of the watch faces looks pretty good, and you also have an option here to set a wallpaper as your watch face, which is really good. And then finally we have the settings, and here you have the auto sync and Google Fit option, which you can turn on. And then we have the heart rate monitoring, where you can set it to continuous tracking and also choose the low or high heart rate limit. And then in the settings we have the preset sleep menu, where you can define your preset sleep time. After that we have the inactivity alert, which sends you a notification after every 60 minutes during a set time period. Then in the settings you have the reminders, and here you can add the reminders which will appear on the smartwatch. And guys, this watch also have a hand wash reminder option, which lets you set up the reminder for every 45, 60 or 120 minutes. And here you can also select the hand wash duration. And I personally find this option really good, especially in our current situation. After that we have the notification settings, and here you can select the app and choose the notification settings. And talking about the notification, let me show you the call notification. So here you have the call alert, and in this watch you have the option to reject the call, but unfortunately there is no option to silent the call. And here is how you get the message notification. And guys, when you receive a message, you can also use preset replies, which is really good, and you can also customize the replies in the app. After that we have the display settings, where you can arrange the menu, and then we have the goals and weather settings. So overall the Noise ColorFit NAV offers a pretty good package. The design and the build quality is good, and I find the features on this smartwatch really good. You're getting an inbuilt GPS, which is really amazing, keeping in mind the price of this smartwatch. The touch controls and the features are one of the best I have seen in a budget smartwatch. And I also really like the touch response, as there are no lags and stutter while going through the menu. The battery life is also decent, and you'll be getting 4 days battery backup with regular usage. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a smartwatch mainly for your fitness activities, which offers good design and built-in GPS at approximately 4,000 rupees, then I highly recommend you to check out the Noise ColorFit NAV. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Noise ColorFit NAV smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.